welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this fantastic Nissan Qashqai. This is the 1.5 DCI N-Connecta, finished in the lovely vivid blue metallic paint. This car has covered just over 15,000 miles from new, so it is low mileage for its age. You've also got 18-inch bicolour alloy wheels that look absolutely incredible. It looks really sporty. The car is in a lovely condition. You've also got the rear privacy glass, so it just gives that bit of privacy to anyone travelling in the rear. So I'll open up the boot and I'll show you the space in there. So there's plenty of space in the boot there for you, so you won't be struggling for any space with this car. I'll open up the back and I'll show you the space that you have inside. So you've got the lovely black cloth seats. They're really comfortable, and there's plenty of space in the back, so it would be ideal as your family car. So we'll get in and I'll show you some of the features this car has on the inside. So inside you've got the Nissan Connect EVO touchscreen navigation and entertainment system. The sat nav is really easy to use. It is a good sized screen as well, so you can see it clearly. You've also got the DAB radio for all your music. And you can connect your telephone. It has got the connection for that. You've also got the multifunction camera, so you've got one at the front, the area view and the rear camera. So it's perfect for getting in and out of those tight spaces, especially in supermarket car parks or shopping centres. Underneath you've got the dual zone climate control to keep you both comfortable while you're driving. And the car is manual. You have also got the electronic parking brake with auto hold and 2 handy cup holders. And the storage armrest there as well for your comfort. Along the dash you've got the lovely carbon effect insert along the dash that runs through onto the door as well. And I'll just give you a close-up of the seats. As you can see, they are in a really lovely condition. There's no marks or much wear on the seats at all. Over to your steering wheel here, you have got cruise control and the speed limiter, so it's perfect for motorway drives. The instrument cluster is here. You also have the automatic rain wipers and electric folding door mirrors to help give that extra bit of security on narrow streets. Another great feature is got the anti-dazzle rear view mirror. So I really hope you like the car. If you need any further information, please just give us a call. Thank you.